Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where I will show you some of the best crypto wallets for trading. So let's jump right in. The first one we have is MetaMask. When it comes to trading on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap or PancakeSwap, MetaMask is a must-have. It's a browser extension and mobile app that gives you full control over your assets. Plus, it's compatible with thousands of tokens across Ethereum and other EVM-compatible chains, making it super flexible for any trader. Second on the list is Trust Wallet. If you're more into trading on the go, Trust Wallet is perfect for mobile users. It supports multiple blockchains and lets you swap tokens right from the app without leaving the wallet. It also integrates with DEX like 1inch and PancakeSwap, so you're never more than a few taps away from your next trade. Up next, we have Binance Wallet. Now, if you're trading on the Binance platform, this wallet keeps things seamless. It's a browser extension wallet that works great with Binance Smart Chain and other networks. What makes it useful is the tight integration with Binance's ecosystem, which means quicker transfers and easier access to dApps. Next is Coinbase Wallet, not to be confused with the Coinbase exchange. This wallet is designed for traders who want full control of their crypto, but still enjoy a user-friendly interface. It connects to a variety of Diffie apps and lets you explore Web3 directly. Whether you're trading NFTs or ERC20 tokens, it's a solid pick. And lastly, we have Crystal Wallet. Crystal is gaining popularity for its clean layout and built-in DEX aggregator. It lets you compare rates across different decentralized exchanges before making a trade, which is great for saving on fees and maximizing gains. It's a newer player, but one to keep an eye on if you trade frequently. So those are the top wallets I recommend for crypto trading in 2025. Whether you're using DEX or centralized exchanges, there's a wallet on this list to help you trade smarter and more securely.